In this video, we will provide solution of Mathematics Chapter 5, that is addition and subtraction of three-digit numbers from Canadian Curriculum Grade 3. Basically, we provide coaching from nursery to 12th and for all Indian competitions. We are running a coaching center in the name of St. Peter's Coaching. Not only we provide group coaching, but also we provide one-to-one online tuitions for math, science, English, and mental ability. To know more details about our channel and to go through the videos, please subscribe our channel https://youtube.com/@stpeterscoaching. So this is chapter 5. In this chapter, we will learn addition and subtraction of three-digit numbers. This is part 2. So in this chapter, we will discuss add and subtract three-digit numbers, check and estimate answers, understand the relationship between addition and subtraction, and solve word problems. Well, this is first question, and now we have to do addition and subtraction. So some questions are addition, like this one is addition, this one addition, this one addition, and these are subtraction questions. So we'll start from the first question. 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. And 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. Write 0 over here and carry 1 to the 10th place. So 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. So answer is 507. 7 plus 3, 10. Write 0 over here and carry 1 to 10th place. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 8 is equal to 50. So write 5 here and carry 1 forward. So 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. So answer is 750. Now this is subtraction. We can't subtract 7 from 6, so we have to borrow 1 from this side. So we'll borrow 1 from 50. So it will become 60. And it will reduce to 49. So 16 minus 7 is equal to 9. And 9 minus 7 is equal to 2. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. This is again subtraction. We can't subtract 9 from 4, so we have to borrow 1. So it will become 14 and it will reduce to 7. 14 minus 9 is equal to 5 and 7 minus 9 cannot be done. So we have to borrow 1 from this side. So it will become 70 and it will reduce to 8. So 17 minus 9 is equal to 8 and 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. So answer is 585. This is again subtraction. We can't subtract 8 from 1, so we have to borrow from this side. It will become 11 and it will reduce to 1. 11 minus 8 is equal to 3. We cannot subtract 6 from 1, so we have to borrow 1 from this side. It will become 11 and it will reduce to 6. So 11 minus 6 is equal to 5 and 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. This is addition. So 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 3, 10. Write 0 here and carry 1 forward. 3 plus 1, 4. 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. So answer is 907. This is again addition. So we have to add unit place first. 8 plus 5, 30. So carry 1 to 10th place. 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 6, 7. And 100 place, only 7 is there. So 7 will be written here. So the answer is 773. Now 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. Now, we cannot subtract 9 from 1, so we'll borrow 1. It will become 11 and 2 will be reduced to 1. 11 minus 9 is equal to 2. Write this one over here because there is no 100 place number. So the answer is 123. Now we have to do the subtraction. Then check the answers by adding the subtrahend and the difference. If we get the result of this addition equal to the minuend, then our subtraction will be correct. So first of all, we have to do the subtraction. So 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. And we can't subtract 6 from 2, so we have to borrow 1 from this side. So it will be 12 and 5 will reduce to 4. So 12 minus 6 is equal to 6 and 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. Now we have to add these two numbers. So 1, 6, 2 plus 3, 6, 2. 2 plus 2, 4. 6 plus 6, 12. Carry 1. So 1 plus 1, 2 plus 3, 5. Okay, we got 524. This is same as the minuend. Therefore, our subtraction is correct. Now, we can't subtract 4 from 0, so we have to borrow 1 from 20. So it will become 10 and it will reduce to 90. So 10 minus 4 is equal to 6 and 9 minus 5 is equal to 4 and 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So we'll add these two numbers. That means 1, 5, 4 and 46. 6 plus 4, 10. Carry 1 to the 10th place. 5 plus 4, 9 plus 1, 10. Carry 1. So 1 plus 1, 2. So the answer is 200. So which is equal to this minuend. Therefore, our subtraction is correct. Now 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. We can't subtract 7 from 0, so we have to borrow 1 from this side. So it will become 10 and it will reduce to 3. So 10 minus 7 is equal to 3 and 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. So add these two numbers, 173 plus 232. 3 plus 2, 5, 7 plus 3, 10. Write 0 over here and carry 1 forward. So 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 2, 4. So the answer is 405, which is equal to this minuend. Therefore, our subtraction is correct. So we can't subtract 8 from 1, so we will borrow 1 from left side. So it will become 11 and it will reduce to 6. 11 minus 8 is equal to 3 and 6 minus 1 is equal to 5 and 3 minus 3, 0. Now add these two numbers, 318 and 53. So 8 plus 3, 11. Carry 1 forward. 1 plus 1, 2. 5 plus 2, 7. And 3. 371, which is equal to this minuend. Therefore, our subtraction is correct. Now they say round each number to the nearest 100. Estimate, then find the exact answer. So first of all, we have to convert this to the nearest 100. That means we have to round on 100. So for this purpose, we have to check the 10th place number. If the 10th place number is more than 4, that means 5 or 6 or 7 or 8 or 9, then 1 will be added to the 100 place number. And these two numbers will change to 0. So we will get 400 in this case. Because 9 is more than 4, so it will change. That means we will get 3 plus 1, that is 4. And in this case, the number is less than 5. So these 1 and 9 will change to 0 and 2 will remain as it is. So this is called rounding the numbers to the nearest 100. So add these numbers, so you will get 600. So this is the estimate. So if we add these two numbers, it will be something near 600. That means we are doing the estimation. Now we'll do the actual addition. So 9 plus 4 is equal to 13. Carry 1 forward. So 1 plus 9, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. So carry 1 forward. And 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. So exact answer is 613 and the estimate is 600. Now in this case, the estimate, so if we round 706, it will remain 700 because this place is less than 5. And it will change to 100 because the 10th place number is equal to 9, that is greater than 4. Therefore, 1 will be added to the 100 place. So it will convert to 100. So estimate is 800. So this is the estimate. That means if we add these number, we'll get something around 800. So 6 plus 2, 8, 9, 7. So the exact answer is 798. So in this case, it is 827. So 2 is less than 5. Therefore, it will remain as it is. That means the 100 place number. So it will reduce to 800. And in this case, the 10th place number is 8, that is greater than 4. So 1 will be added to the 100 place. So it will be converted to 200. So as we know, we change the ones place and tens place to zeros. And if the 10th place number is greater than 4, then we add 1 to the 100 place. So this is called rounding to 100 place. Now we'll subtract 200 from 800, we get 600. So this is the estimation. Now 7 minus 3 is equal to 4 and we can't subtract 8 from 2, so we will borrow 1 from this side. It will become 12 and it will reduce to 7. So 12 minus 8 is equal to 4 and 7 minus 1 is equal to 6. So there is a big difference. Now it will be converted to 600 as 8 is more than 4. So 1 will be added to 5 and these two numbers will be converted to zeros. So 600, and in this case, this is less than 5, this 10th place number. So it will remain as it is. That means it will remain 300. Now, if we subtract, we get 300. Now, in this case, we can't subtract 8 from 6, so we have to carry forward, or sorry, borrow 1 from left side. So it will become 16. So 16 minus 8 is equal to 8. and it will reduce to 7. 7 minus 2 is equal to 5, and 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. So the exact difference is 258 and the estimate is 300. So there is big difference. In both the cases, we see that in subtraction, the estimation does not work properly. We always find a great difference. So in this case, we have to find the sum and difference for each pair of numbers. So these are the numbers. So first of all, we have to add, that means 319 plus 254. So 9 plus 4, 30. Write 3 over here and carry 1 forward. So 1 plus 1, 2. 5 plus 2, 7. And 3 plus 2, 5. So the sum is 570. And the difference 319 minus 254. So 9 minus 4 is equal to 5. We can't subtract 5 from 1, so we have to borrow one number from the left side. It will become 11 and it will reduce to 2. So 11 minus 5 is equal to 6 and 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. So this is the difference. Now we have to add 608 and 73. So 8 plus 3, 11, carry 1 forward. 1 plus 7, 8 will remain as it is. So 681 is the sum. And the difference 60873. So 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. Can't subtract 7 from 0. See, we have to borrow 1. It will change to 10 and it will reduce to 5. So 10 minus 7 is equal to 3. 5 as it is. So 535 is the difference. Now we have to find again sum and difference. So 4, 6, 2, 3, 5, 3. 3 plus 2, 5, 6 plus 5, 11, carry 1 forward. 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 3, 8. So answer is 850. That means sum of these two numbers is 850. Now 4, 6, 2, 3, 5, 3. So we have to borrow one number because 3 is greater than 2. So it will become 12 and it will reduce to 5. So 12 minus 3 is equal to 9 and 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. So difference is 109. So in this case, 224 and 537. 7 plus 4, 11. Carry 1 forward. 2 plus 1, 3 plus 3, 6. 5 plus 2, 7. So sum is 761. In this case, this number is bigger. So we have to write 531 at the top and 224 at the bottom. Then we have to subtract. Now 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. So 313 is the difference. 1, 7, 6, 4, 1, 3. So 6 plus 3, 9. 7 plus 1, 8. 4 plus 1, 5. The sum is 589. The difference, we have to take 413 upwards and 176 downwards. Now we have to subtract. We can't subtract 6 from 3. Therefore, we have to borrow one number from this side. So it will become 13. It will reduce to 0. So we have to borrow again one number. It will be 10 and it will be reduced to 3. So 13 minus 6 is equal to 7. And 10 minus 7 is equal to 3. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. So the difference is 237. In this case, 8, 2, 1, 1, 1, 7. So 7 plus 1, 8, 2 plus 1, 3, 8 plus 1, 9. So sum is 938. And difference 8, 2, 1, 1, 1, 7. So we can't subtract 7 from 1, so we have to borrow one number from this side. It will become 11 and it will reduce to 1. So 11 minus 7 is equal to 4 and 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. 8 minus 1 is equal to 7. Relating addition and subtraction. So as you see in this picture, 125 plus 239 is equal to 364. And if we interchange the position of 239 and 125 and we'll do the same operation, that means addition, the answer will remain the same. So if we change the order of the numbers and we again add, we'll get the same results. But in subtraction, suppose if we subtract a smaller number from a bigger number and we find the difference, and second case, if we subtract this number from the bigger number, we'll get the answer as the other number. So if we interchange these two numbers, any 239 to this place, we'll get difference 125. And if we write 125 on this place, we get the answer this one. So we'll do the same thing over here. So use the given number sentences to find the answers. So 84 plus 237 is equal to 321. In this case, we have converted 237 to the first place and 84 to the second place, but the operation is the same. That means addition. So the answer will remain the same. That means 321. But in case of subtraction, if we subtract any smaller number from the biggest number, and if we subtract one of them, we will get the other number. That means if we subtract 84, the balance will be 237 because 321 is the addition of 84 and 237. That means if we subtract one of them from 321, we will get the other number. So as in this case. Now, 503 minus 276 and the difference is 227. And if we change this number to this place, we will get the difference, this one on this place, 276. But in case of addition, if we add these two numbers, we'll get this number, 503 over this place. So 276 here and 227 this place. you'll get the bigger number. That means 503. So this is the procedure. Now, same theory applies to this question and this question. So if we subtract 165 from 413 and we get 248, then if we interchange these two numbers, suppose if we place 244 to this place, so this number will go to this place as in this case. That means 413 minus 248 is equal to 165. And if we add these two smaller numbers, we will get the answer this number 413. And in this case, there are three numbers. This is the biggest one. So if we subtract any of these two numbers from this one, like in this case, we'll get the other number. We have subtracted this number from this number. We'll get 188 in the result. And if we interchange the position of 188 and 547, the answer will remain the same as the operation is of the same type. Well, in this case, the same theory which we have learned in earlier questions will be applied. Like if two numbers are there and this is the sum, so if we want to find any one of these two numbers, we have to subtract the other one from this total. So to find this number, we have to subtract 263 from 503. So 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. And we can't subtract 6 from 0. Therefore, we have to borrow one number. So it will become 10 and 5 will reduce to 4. So 10 minus 6 is equal to 4 and 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. So the result is 240. That means 263 plus 240 should be equal to 503. Just check it. 3 plus 0 is equal to 3. 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. 0, 1 carried. So 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. Right? This is okay. Now, it is easy. We have to find the total. That means sum of these two numbers. So 7 plus 3, 10. 1 carried. 1 plus 1, 2. 7 plus 2, 9. And 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. So the sum is 590. In this case, we have to again do the operation like this one. That means we have to subtract 316 from 497. So 7 minus 6 is equal to 1. And 9 minus 1 is equal to 8. And 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. Now they say I got my highest score in. The highest score is this one, 590. This is the biggest number because this is 503, this is 497. So in B, she has got the highest marks. Now come to Matthews. So to find this number, we have to subtract 164 from 471. We can't subtract 4 from 1, so we have to borrow one number. So write 11 on this place and 7 will be reduced to 6. So 11 minus 4 is equal to 7. And 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. And 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. Now in this case, add these two numbers to find this one. So 6 plus 5, 11, carry 1. So 7 plus 1, 8 plus 2, 10. Carried 1. 5 plus 1, 6. Now to find this number, we have to subtract 367 from 604. So we can't subtract 7 from 4, so borrow one number. So it will become 14 and it will reduce to 9, 5. So 14 minus 7 is equal to 7. and 9 minus 6 is equal to 3. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. So this is the other number. Now just check the answer. 7 plus 7, 14, carried 1. 7 plus 3, 10, 0, carried 1. 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 2, 6. So we got the same answer. So our difference is correct. Now I got my highest score. Matthew says I got my highest score. This is 604, this is 601, this is 471. So 604 is the highest marks, that is in C. Now these are the word problems. They say solve the problem. In this case, they have given this table which mentions number of pizzas sold on Monday and Tuesday, and there are two type of pizzas: pepperoni pizza and vegetarian pizza. So on Monday, pepperoni pizzas were sold 218 and vegetarian pizzas were sold 182. And on Tuesday, pepperoni pizzas were sold 174 and vegetarian pizzas were sold on Tuesday are 203. So they ask how many pepperoni pizzas were sold on Monday and Tuesday. So pepperoni pizzas sold on Monday and Tuesday. So we add these two numbers, 218 plus 174. So 8 plus 4, 12, carry 1. So 1 plus 1, 2, and 7 plus 2, 9. 1 plus 2, 3. So 392 pepperoni pizzas were sold on Monday and Tuesday. Now they say how many vegetarian pizzas were sold on Monday and Tuesday. So now we have to add vegetarian pizzas, which is 182 and 203. So 182 plus 203. So 3 plus 2, 5, and 0 plus 8 is equal to 8, and 2 plus 1, 3. So it is 385 vegetarian pizzas were sold on Monday and Tuesday. Now they ask 79 small vegetarian pizzas were sold on Monday. So on Monday, total vegetarian pizzas were sold 182, and out of that, 79 were small vegetarian pizzas. So we have to find how many large vegetarian pizzas were sold on that day. So we have to subtract 79 from 182. So borrow 1, it will be 12. 12 minus 9 is equal to 3, and it will reduce to 7. So 7 minus 7, 0. 1 minus nothing, 1. So 103 were the large vegetarian pizzas. So they are asking now how many more vegetarian pizzas than pepperoni pizzas were sold on Tuesday. That means we have to find the difference of sale of pizzas on Tuesday. So on Tuesday, the numbers were 203 and 203 and 174. So 203 and 174. So borrow 1 to this place, it will become 13, 9, 1. 13 minus 4 is equal to 9, and 9 minus 7 is equal to 2. 1 minus 1, 0. So the difference is 29. So 29 more pizzas of which type? Vegetarian. So vegetarian pizzas were sold 203, and pepperoni pizzas were sold 174. So vegetarian pizzas were sold 29 more than pepperoni pizzas, which we have calculated here. Now they say I have 154 slices of pizza. So 154 slices of pizza. If I give 68 slices to my friends, how many slices of pizza will I have left? So we have to find the difference. That means 154 minus 68. So borrow 1 will reduce to 4. So 14 minus 8 is equal to 6, and we can't subtract 6 from 4, so we will take 14. 14 minus 6 is equal to 8. So 86 slices of pizza are left with me. This is the answer.